Hey everybody, Zuri Fx here, and I did Bishop from X-Men and pop art for HalloweenMakeup.com. This is my pop art look, and I chose to do a man. Covering up my eyebrows using some glue and some powder, outlining the facial features of the male pop art. So I'm using a dark brown face paint, and I am coloring in my hairline. Bishop has cornrows in his hair, so I am painting cornrows using a Graftobian foundation palette, and I'm mixing up different colors on my face. Next, I am putting some highlights around my face using the lightest color and giving it a shadow 3D look. Adding powder to set down the foundation. Getting rid of my creases. Time to contour the face a little bit. I got to remember that it is a shadow look, so I don't want to contour both sides of the nose, just only one side. Next, I'm working on my chest area using blue face paint and covering it all over. A little yellow face paint. Adding my X-Man circle. So this is the most important part of the look, is the pop art black face paint, which is the main color for this look. Adding lines to create a pop art 3D style. Adding a goatee, which was very fun. I thought I was very, very handsome. More details on the chest area. Adding some Star Blend white and mixing it in with the blue. More on my hairline and my jawline. I want to seem like I am a painting or a drawing. I wanted to make sure the details were on point, but I don't want to put too much details on my look. Finishing the hairline, more details with my chest area, just putting in black and squiggly lines to give it a illusion that I am in a comic book. Adding red face paint to the middle and an X right there to signify that is X-Men. Adding the M on my eye, because Bishop has a big scar on his face, and it's the letter M. A little bit more detail. Some highlights with some white face paint. I just hurried up and put Bishop on my shoulder. But I am all done. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. And cosplay is pretty cool, and pop art is pretty cool. Zuri Fx over and out. Have a great night.